Hi friends, welcome back to Amazing Women's World. In this video I am going to show how to create your own designer fabrics for bridal, party and daily wear. Supposing this is the fabric used for sewing the designer blouse, let me show you how to mark for the designing. For the blouse you are required to take 1.5 meters. Start marking the diagonal lines of 1 inch gap between the line. This pattern bodice you can also use for anarkali bodice or for the full hand saree blouses or even for the dresses like kurtis, crop tops, lehenga blouses. This is the piece of the silk fabric which anyone can design on this fabric easily. These are user-friendly fabrics. I have marked one side diagonal lines. Now start marking, turning to the another side the same diagonal lines. You will get the checks, grids of cross lines. Ensure to maintain the same gaps. You can see the different patterns of pics, which is really looking very beautiful with individual patterns. And I would be taking this small thin lace. You can see the thickness, how thin it is looking. Either sides having the same work. This is very much affordable and easily available in the market. The whole bundle lace is consisting of 9 meters, which is costing around 30 rupees. So spending very much less cost, you can create the designer fabrics, which is very much expensive if you purchase. Place the lace on the marked lines and start sewing. This is for the sample I'll be showing on the scrap. The beauty of the fabrics you can see in the pics, which is suitable for any creation of designer garments. When you are sewing, hold it with the finger tightly and start sewing, or else it will move away when you are sewing. Like this, you have to place all the laces on the lines and start sewing. I also feel this designing is an irritational process. Designing itself means repeatedly doing the same work. This is the first pattern doing on the user-friendly fabrics. You can create this on silk, tussar, laser, crepe, georgette, cotton, raw silk. All these fabrics are user-friendly and will give elegant look once done on any garments. If you sew this diagonal lines only in one direction, you can create this designer blouse and start sewing towards another side, placing the lace on the marked lines and start sewing. So if you wanna do this on the blouse, first design the fabric like this, then mark your measurements and cut accordingly, then sew it by joining the lining. And you would require nearly 4 to 5 bundle of laces for the full blouse with the full length sleeves. And these laces are available in various colors with gold, silver, shimmer colors. So always use the contrast colors to elevate the designing pattern. So I've done with this designing of the checks grid lines. You can have the glance of this pic, how beautifully the blouse has been designed. Now for the final touch-ups, trim off all the extra pieces. This way we can create our own designer fabrics with affordable price. Now let me show you how to design this on the net. Net fabrics are not user friendly for the designing. Now you can see this net blouse, how beautifully it is designed. I'm using this piece of net fabric. As I said, net fabrics is not user friendly. You cannot easily design on the net directly, as the net is having the tiny holes and the markings will not be visible. So now what you have to do is take a piece of paper of the length how much you want to take for the fabric. For the designing, you can use this white paper, newspapers or the tracing papers for the designing. Place the piece of the fabric on this paper, mark the borders and also the diagonal lines. The fabric, how much you need it, that much length of the paper you have to take. Take very thin papers. Now I'm done with these markings. I'll place the net fabric on this, aligning with the borders markings. And I'd be using this green color shimmer lace. You can see this net blouse. They have used the white lace for the designing. Now start sewing. Ensure that the underneath net fabric and the marked paper lines are all placed together. Repeat the same process, placing the lace on the net fabric and start sewing. If you know the simple techniques, you can create wonders. The only thing for the designing you need is having patience and spending lot of your time, which will save you hardcore money. And we wanna wear like this type of garments, which is very expensive in the market. Seeing at the price, we stop purchasing. But now you can create at affordable price. Once done the designing part, trim off all the extra strips. Turn to another side and start tearing the paper. Hold firmly with one finger and start tearing the papers. Doing this way, the thread or the stitch lines will not be loosened. And you can also try this net patterns for the yoke models. Nowadays it's very much trending, going with the skinny type. On the plain knit, you can create this designing part. Try this, you'll get the stunning look. This is a little bit time taking, but you can see the designer fashionable look of the knit blouse, whether it could be full length sleeves or the sleeveless blouse. Any garment, it will enhance your beauty. Try this, you'd love to wear it. Now watching this video, you'd know how to create this designing on the fabrics. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I'd request you to share this video in your community or circles, and don't forget to like and leave your comments. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel and you can enjoy watching the latest fashions. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.